In this video, we're diving into how to track conversion rates in TeamGate CRM, a tool designed to help businesses track their sales processes and improve efficiency. Whether you're already using TeamGate or exploring it, stay with us as we go over how it works and reveal some insights that might just change the way you approach conversion tracking. To begin, when you're using TeamGate CRM, tracking conversion rates can help you understand where your leads are dropping off in the sales funnel. This is crucial for improving your process and focusing your efforts on the areas that need attention. TeamGate gives you the ability to create custom reports that give you insight into conversion rates for your deals, and this is where you can start. Next thing, TeamGate allows you to track these conversion rates by setting up your sales stages. This is where you can see how many leads progress through each stage and where they might be stuck. You can create a pipeline, customize it based on your specific sales process, and see the rate at which leads move from one stage to the next. It's simple, visual, and allows you to get a better sense of your team's performance at a glance. The third thing you should know is that TeamGate integrates with other tools that can help enhance your tracking process. For example, you can sync your data with Google Analytics and other reporting tools. This adds extra layers of insight to your conversion rates, helping you understand not just how leads are performing within TeamGate, but how they interact with your website and other platforms. Now, let's talk about the challenges. While TeamGate offers useful features for tracking conversion rates, it does have some limitations when compared to other CRM options. The custom reporting capabilities are there, but they might not be as robust as those found in larger platforms. You might find yourself limited in terms of specific customizations you can make for reporting. For smaller teams or those with simple needs, this might not be an issue, but if you're running a large operation, you might run into some constraints. The fourth thing to consider is the user interface. TeamGate is known for being user-friendly, which is a huge plus. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced customization or deeper analytics, it can fall a bit short. You might find that other CRMs on the market offer more flexible, detailed reporting capabilities, especially if your primary goal is tracking conversions in a very granular way. Speaking of alternatives, while TeamGate CRM does offer solid tracking and reporting options, there are some other CRM tools out there that specialize in conversion rate tracking and provide better overall functionality for businesses that need deeper insights into their sales process. These alternatives might provide more intuitive interfaces, advanced reporting, and better integration with other platforms that help track your sales metrics. And here's something important. The video mentioned that you can access an exclusive and extended free trial for TeamGate CRM through our link. But, and this is the open loop you'll want to stay for, we've also included some other amazing alternatives that might actually be better suited to your needs when it comes to tracking conversion rates. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial for TeamGate, along with exclusive benefits that aren't available to everyone. But more importantly, you'll also get access to these incredible alternatives, which you can try for free as well. So make sure to check out the description for that. To wrap it up, while TeamGate CRM offers a strong, user-friendly platform for tracking conversion rates, don't overlook other options that could provide more customization and reporting depth. Explore them and choose the one that's the best fit for your business needs.